Let's check this interior design. Are you dreaming of a bohemian bathroom oasis but worried about the cost? Transforming your space into a boho paradise is easier than you think, and you can do it on a budget. Start by embracing earthy tones. Think warm terracotta, soft greens, and sandy beiges. These colors create a serene backdrop for your bohemian retreat. Next, layer your textiles. Look for colorful rugs, patterned shower curtains, and an array of towels in rich textures. Mixing and matching is key to achieving that effortless boho vibe. Add plants for a touch of nature. Succulents or hanging vines will breathe life into your bathroom and enhance the organic feel. Don't forget about accessories. Incorporate unique wall art, woven baskets for storage, and handcrafted ceramics to showcase your style. Finally, lighting is essential. Opt for warm, ambient lighting. Fairy lights or a vintage lamp can create a cozy atmosphere perfect for relaxation. With these simple steps, you can achieve a stunning bohemian bathroom makeover without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly design tips. Thank you for watching.